Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Any.do login issues, account and sync errors step by step clearly. If you're experiencing login issues with Any.do, follow these steps to troubleshoot the problem. First, check your internet connection to ensure you're online. Next, confirm that you are entering the correct email address and password. If you've forgotten your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it. Make sure that your device's operating system is up to date. If you're using the app, try uninstalling and reinstalling it. After reinstalling, open the app and attempt to log in again. Clear the app cache if you're still facing issues on a mobile device. You can do this through your device settings, under the app section. If you're using Any.do on a web browser, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Another option is to attempt logging in using a different browser. Make sure there are no browser extensions that might interfere with the login process. If you are logging in using a social media account, ensure that you are connected to that account. Check the Any.do server status to see if there are any outages or maintenance activities. If you continue to experience problems, consider reaching out to Any.do customer support for assistance. Be prepared to provide them with any relevant details about your issue. Following these steps should help you resolve most login and sync errors with Any.do. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.